Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone has the latest iOS. This avoids compatibility quirks. Next, open Settings, tap Wallpaper, then choose a new wallpaper. This directs you to the picker. Pick Still, Dynamic, or Live depending on motion preference. Live needs compatible hardware. Once done, tap the image to preview and use pinch gestures to crop or reposition. This changes scale without altering composition. Make sure to inspect both lock screen and home screen previews before moving to customization. You now adjust framing and visual depth to fit icons and widgets. Pinch to zoom and drag to reposition. This centers focal points and avoids obscuring faces or text. Toggle perspective zoom to let the image shift with device motion, or choose still for stability. Depth can improve icon contrast but may crop edges. If depth effect appears, enable it to separate foreground from background. When satisfied, tap Set and choose Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both to finalize placement. You finish by troubleshooting any failures and confirming the result. If the wallpaper won't apply, open the Photos app, tap Share, and use as wallpaper to bypass settings. This can resolve permission glitches. Make sure focus modes, low power mode, or management profiles aren't preventing changes. Turn them off briefly to retry. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and, as a last resort, reset wallpaper settings. This clears transient state. One key tip: check iCloud Photos syncing. Unsynced images may not appear immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.